Hello, welcome back to the English Lab JA. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential writing skills every student needs to master how to write the 5-paragraph essay. Whether you're preparing for exams, writing a school paper, or just trying to improve your writing skills, this structure will help you organize your ideas clearly and confidently. So, let's get into it. The 5-paragraph essay has a simple formula: 1 introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and 1 conclusion. But each part has a special job to do. 1. The introduction paragraph. This is where you hook your reader. Start with something interesting. Maybe a question, a shocking fact, or a short story. For example, did you know that exercise can improve not only your body, but also your brain? That's your hook. Then give a little background on your topic, just enough to help the reader understand what you'll be talking about. Finally, end your introduction with a thesis statement, your main argument in one clear sentence. For example, exercise improves mental health, strengthens the body, and builds self-discipline. That sentence tells the reader exactly what to expect in your essay. Body paragraph 1. Your first supporting point. Start with a topic sentence that introduces your first main idea. Then add examples, facts, or evidence to support it. Don't forget to explain how your evidence connects back to your thesis. Tip: use transitions like firstly or to begin with, so your ideas flow smoothly. Body paragraph 2, your second supporting point. Now build on your argument with your second reason. Follow the same structure: topic, sentence, evidence, explanation. Use transitions like secondly or moreover. This shows your essay has a logical progression and keeps the reader engaged. Body paragraph 3, your final point. This is your strongest argument, or the point that really drives your message home. Some writers even use this paragraph to address an opposing view and then explain why their point still stands. Start with transitions like finally or another important reason. The conclusion. Now it's time to wrap everything up. Restate your thesis, but in a fresh way. Don't just repeat it word for word. Then briefly summarize your 3 main points. End with a powerful closing sentence, something that leaves your reader thinking. It could be a call to action, a prediction, or a meaningful reflection. For example, so the next time you think of skipping your workout, remember your body and your mind will thank you for showing up. And that's the 5-paragraph essay, simple and well structured. Here's a quick recap. Introduction, hook, background, thesis, body paragraph 1, first point, body paragraph 2, second point, body paragraph 3, third point, conclusion, restate, and wrap up. If you follow this structure, your essays will become clearer, stronger, and more organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the English Lab JA for more writing tips and lessons.